Welcome back with another video on TryHackMe.com. This is Zahin Nazir and we are doing today Mother's Secret. Exploit flaws found in the mother's code to reveal its secrets. So this is what we are doing. So it is video on the path we are following, that is DevSecOps on TryHackMe.com. So let's get into it. I already started my attack box and also the virtual machine that we need to compromise. So let's see the task one, what we need to do exactly. Introduction. In this challenge, you will investigate the TryHackMe cargo starship THMCSS Nostromo owned by Wayland TryHackMe Corps and its compromised computer system. MUTHUR6000. Your mission is to uncover hidden secrets by exploiting vulnerabilities in the web application running on the Nostromo server. Get ready to put your code analysis and exploitation skills to the test. Yeah, code analysis skills, we can do that, but the exploitation skills were not taught to us in this learning path, but we will try to do something here. Okay, previous experience. Before attempting this challenge, it would be beneficial to have complete SAT and DAS room that are part of the DevSecOps path. We have done so as well. You can check it in the playlist on the YouTube on my channel, or have experience in analyzing code and application security, or it should be and because this room is not quite what I was expecting. This room is different. I mean, the things that they have taught until now is not directly correlating to what they have presented here. So once you know how to exploit the vulnerability, you will get to know that. Okay, you will experience this information. Have experience in analyzing code. You need to have analyzing code. If you don't have the development background in JavaScript, then you will suffer into it. And also, if you don't have any kind of experience in how the Express framework works, then you could also suffer a little bit roadblock unless you get the understanding. And application security as well. Basically, they didn't taught us any application security thing here. Machine is going to expire. Why? Let me add one more hour here. Okay. Setting up. Start the attack box. We already done so. Start the virtual machine provided for this challenge. Note the machine IP address. Yes, we have it. You will need it later to access the web app. Okay. You can now open the attack box and enter the MUTHUR6000 server's IP address in the browser running on port 80. Okay. Please allow the VM3 to 4 minutes to fully boot, and we already answered the question here. Let's move on to the task 2, but before we do that, I already opened the Firefox here. I will just copy paste the URL. We don't need to put the 80 port here. Even we put 80 port, it will still, as you can see, still go to the same one because the 80 port is default. Okay, on HTTP only. If it is HTTPS, then 443 is default. This port will not be visible in your browser here. Okay. Okay, before we answer any question, let's see what we have here. Queue member. We have alien loader. Let's see what we have in alien loader. Embedded within the intricate codes of the mother's system lies the alien loader, a peculiar YAML loader. Okay, that means there is a YAML file function. This function parses and loads YAML data. Be cautious, as this loader holds the truth to unveil the hidden paths. Okay, so they are saying that there is a function which will parse the YAML data, and we need to make sure that we be cautious about it because it will hold some secrets. Okay. Okay, we need to do up and down keys to navigate. Yeah, okay. Caution, Nostromo holds countless winding corridors and concealed chambers, harboring secrets that lie beyond the intended boundaries. Embrace the power of relative file paths within the mother. File path within the mother. Okay. To uncover secrets. Okay. Traverse the labyrinthine, I don't know how to pronounce this, structure of the ship and reach your desired destination. Okay. So there is something with the Nostromo, and we need to pay attention on the relative file path within the mother. Mother is something to cover the unsecrets, to cover the secrets. Okay. Okay. See, we are crew member. Okay. Crew member is also there on the title here. And then we have flag as classified. Okay. This is pretty much okay, but before we do that, let me check something. Can we dock on the right side? So I want to see both. Okay. Let me go with the debugger and see what files we have. So we have one file which is available here, and few of the files from socket and cd and tailwind css and other things. Okay. And I can see that auth sample, and there is something with the YAML endpoint or something like that. Okay. And then there is a disconnect as well. This is Nostromo's code doesn't make any sense, guys. So I will just try to navigate and see what is going on here, and then we'll come back. Okay. So what I can see interesting from this code is there is a YAML socket which is on the .yaml endpoint, and there is some disconnect also, and there are some reference for auth Nostromo and auth YAML here. Okay, we are good. Let's go back and see what we need to do here exactly. Download the file. I already downloaded the file. File will look like this, which is routes. So they put like, okay, API route are like this, YAML.js file. Okay, you can copy paste that, and also there is a Nostromo.js file. So what I did, I created the file itself, so the code is much easier to see and understand. Okay, so let's understand the code first. YAML.js. We have import express from express, import YAML from js.yaml, import fs from fs, import attach WebSocket from some directory and WebSocket.js. And then there is a router. Then we have cons is YAML. It is checking if this is a YAML file. File name dot split. That means we are splitting the file name with dot. That means on the right side, if it is YAML, then we will accept it, and we are posting on the root directory. And then it is expecting something from the request dot body, and this is the file name parameter that we need to send. And if it is not a YAML, it will give us 500 error code, and message will be not a YAML file path. If it is able to read the file, then it's okay. Otherwise, it will give us the status code 500 and send us that failed to read the file. Otherwise, status code will be 200 and they will send us the YAML file data itself. And then this is attached to a WebSocket on -YAML, and it is emitting the YAML file itself. I think so. YAML and YAML data has been processed. This is what they are emitting. And then the export default router. Okay. To be honest, I'm not that familiar with the Express itself, but I'm familiar with the JavaScript. So let's see what we can understand from here. Same thing, some imports file, Express, FS, socket, and YAML.js. Yani the previous file we are importing it here is YAML authenticated. Why it is like this? Do we have a YAML authenticated? How they are, I'm not sure, but okay. I don't know how they are getting this one. It's YAML authentication. Authenticated is Nostromo authenticate is equal to false. Then there is a router. There is an endpoint Nostromo, and then we can see that we are just taking the file path from the request, and we are trying to read it as a UTF-8 data. And if we are not able to see that, then there will be 500 error and science officer's eyes only error. Otherwise, is Nostromo authenticate is equal to true, then they will send us the data directly, and they will attach it to the WebSocket and emit the Nostromo itself. Okay, and then there is a Nostromo mother as well, and the file path is mother instead of public. Yes, okay. Same thing, but it is asking for, okay, mother is asking for is Nostromo authenticated. That means you need to call Nostromo first and then the mother endpoint. And it should, you also need to do some authentication with the YAML as well. If it is not, then you will get the 500 error. Otherwise, if you are not able to read the data, then you will still get the 500 error, but it will be science officer eyes only. And then they will send the data directly, and there is no attachment here. Okay, now we understand the code. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, upon accessing the MUTHUR 6000 computer, aka mother, you will see the mother UI server. Yes, we saw that. However, since you only have a crew, okay, crew is a role, member level role, you only have read access to limited resources, but there are other ways to access it. Can you find them? Uncover mother's secret. Sure, we'll try our best. Equipment check. Download the files, dash the stars to review the code we did already. Explore the available endpoints of the mother server and try to find any clues that can reveal mother's secret. Okay, we'll try our best. Search for a file that contains essential information about the ship's activity. Search for a file that contains essential information about the ship's activities. I don't understand that, but okay, let's continue. Exploit the vulnerable code to download the secret from the server. Secrets from the server. Yes, there is some reference on the here. For example, here there is some pathways within the mother that will uncover the secret. So this is the reference here. Can you spot the vulnerable code? We'll see that. Capture all hidden flags you encountered during your exploration. Only mother holds its secret. Okay. Operating manual. Before some sequences operations to get you started, use the following to unlock information and navigate mother. Emergency command overrides 100375. Use it when accessing alien loaders. Okay, alien loaders. There is again some reference with the alien loader here. We got that it is asking us to check the YAML loader function, and it will do some parsing with the YAML data. So YAML loader function was I think YAML loader function. So see this one. So basically they are asking us to check this post method, okay, which is reading from the public directory. Okay, and it is expecting a YAML file. Okay, we'll try that. And we also explored one moment here that there is a YAML endpoint that it is expecting the index min.js file, YAML endpoint, okay, on the root. So let's see. Okay, download the task files to learn about mother's routes. Yes, we see the routes. Hitting the routes in the right order makes the mother confused. It might think you are a science officer. Yeah, this is what we understood here. that in order to we need to hit YAML first, okay, because here it is checking is where is it? Is YAML authenticate from YAML.js, which is this one, YAML.js first, and then we need to do something with the Nostromo endpoint, because Nostromo will enable the is Nostromo authenticate is equal to true, and then we need to hit the Nostromo mother endpoint. Okay, as you can see, if either one of them is not true, then 500 error. So in order to go to the mother, we need to hit both of them. So this is clear now what we need to do. Okay, let me close this one because I'm coming back again and again. Okay, it might think you are a science officer. Sure. Can you guess what is API Nostromo mother secret.txt? So API Nostromo secret.txt. Okay. I think it is best if we create a command file here. This is, we have these routes, YAML. We have Nostromo route. Then we have Nostromo mother route, right? And now we have API as well. Okay. And from API, what they're trying to say is there is a secret.txt file that we need to read. Okay. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, what is the number of emergency command override? Here it is, 137. Okay. Yeah, we are on streak 9. What is special order number? We don't know. What is the hidden flag in Nostromo route? Okay, so this is the route we need to try. Okay, we'll try. Let's continue. What else? What is the hidden flag in the Nostromo route? Hit the route and retrieve the message. Okay. What is the name of the science officer with the permissions? When the role changes, a new name is displayed. Okay. What are the contents of classified flag box? Classified flag box. So this is the flag box, right? 1 minute. Okay. So something will either fill here or we need to find some flag. Okay. Let's continue. What is mother's secret? We don't know. What is mother's where is mother's secret? Okay, where is mother's secret? What is mother's secret? We don't know. Okay, let's start with what we know. What is the hidden flag in Nostromo route? Okay, let's start with Nostromo route. So in order to do that, let's see if we can duplicate it, and let's see what is on Nostromo. Nostromo. You hit the wrong route. Okay. Let's start with the YAML then. Okay. Nostromo mother, then wait a moment. Okay. We don't have any idea. Okay, let's try this one. Let's see what happens. We know that it will not appear because we need to do it in a certain way. What if we go with just the API and Nostromo? Let's see what happens. Nostromo. Okay. It doesn't make any sense, guys. So, I know that we need. Okay. So we'll do something. Wait a moment. We'll do something here. Okay. We'll do something here. Um, we know that these are post endpoint, right? So let's do the posting here. So in order to do that, let me try to, okay, let it go to the network. Let me try this one. Okay, we can see that this is the request we did. I open it. Let me expand this. Because this is the GET request, let's click on resend. I click on resend. Wait a moment. Let me talk it to bottom. Maybe this will help us. Okay. Okay, so let's make a post request. It is a 500 error. Let's see the response here. You just hit the wrong route. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll scroll down here, and we know that in the YAML file, it is expecting something in the body, that is file name, file path, okay? And file path should end with YAML, okay? So let me put like this, and file.yaml. All right, let's send it. It is still maybe it is expecting in JSON, so let's put it as JSON. So if you don't know about the JSON, just search online. It will help you convert your parameters into the JSON format. So this is the JSON correct format. You just hit the wrong route. It's still giving me the issues. Maybe we are missing. This is the request we are sending as a JSON, which is okay, but maybe we are missing something. Either the URL is wrong, or we are missing some parameter, like we are sending content as application JSON. So I will copy paste this one, copy and paste. Okay, I will send it again. Now see what is the response. Yeah, we have the wrong URL. So let's go with the next URL that we have. It is YAML. So let's put that here, and I will send it again a post request. Yeah, okay. So error is failed to read the file. So failed to read the file, we will search. Can I copy it? Let's search in our file. Okay. So we were able to go through that code, and we are now here in read file here. Okay. And somehow, because the file is not there, so we are getting this error. So we need to put our right file name. Okay. So let's see what we have. Since it is a alien loader, I can. So this is a alien loader. So we know that in order to load something in the alien loader, we can pass the command here. So let me put this one as a file name. Okay, and let's see what happens. We also need to see if the role will change or not. Okay, so I'm gonna put the file name as this one to override it. And let's see what happens here. Yeah, we get something. For science officers' eyes only. Okay, so our role is changed or not? Not. Special secrets routing to API Nostromo. Okay, so we have new route. Okay, wait. We have new route, which is this one. Nostromo. Come on, copy. What happened here? My machine is. What happened? My tag machine is working right. I hope my tag machine is working. My attack machine is gone. Let me come back with the same settings here. We are back. So what I did, I copy this text and I pasted into my command.txt file. As you can see that for science officer eyes only, special secrets routing to API Nostromo, order is this one, order 937.txt. Unable to clarify, you no further enhancements. Okay, so let's see if we can answer any of the question that was asked from us. What is special order number? Maybe it is 937. Okay, what is the hidden flag in the Nostromo route? We don't know. What is the name of the science officer with the permission? We don't know. We don't know about the classic flag. Okay, let's go back. Okay. So let's try the API route here now. API Nostromo. So let me copy paste this one. And let's try to send the same payload and let's see what happens here. I send the same payload. As you can see, it's 200 response, and then we have this one. I will copy the response from here and put it in my text file so I don't lose it. For science officers eyes only, special secrets routing to API Nostromo order is this one, unable to clarify, no further enhancements. It is the same. Did we get the same even on the Nostromo? Okay, wait. Let's try to put this one into the file and let's see what happens. This is the text file, right? So let's put this one here and send it. Oh, the response is changed. Awesome. I'll copy paste this response here and let's see if we can answer something. Special order in 937, we guessed it from the file itself already. Priority 1, ensure return of organism for analysis. All other considerations secondary. Crew expandable. There is a flag I think we can do. Okay, let's see if this flag maybe here. All right. What is the name of the science officer with permission? We don't know yet. Yeah. We know that. Wait. Name is changed here. Let me put it as a write doc and let's see what we have here. Name is Ash. Let's try that. Yes. What are the contents of classified flag box? Okay. So flag box is this one, THM flag order. Okay, now two things left. Where is mother's secret? So we know that now the next route we need to try is mother, and we know that there is a secret.txt file here. Okay, So let's try with mother. I will go back, and this is what I was doing. I will make it the bottom dock, so we will have space to do the same. Okay, so what we need to do is let's put mother here, MOTHER. Okay, and let's send it, and let's see what happens here. Okay. It is still the same. We given the file path order. Okay, let's see what we are missing here. So we went to the mother. Let's see if we can put this text file here as a payload, and let's see. Yeah, so we have a new information. I'll put it here. Okay, so we have secret as mother. So let's try to answer the question. Where the mother secret? Here. Opt mother, OPT mother. Okay. What is the mother's secret? Now we need to get the mother's secret. Okay. Okay. So let's put this one here. Okay. Let me send it. Science officer's eyes only. Okay. Let me copy this one. And search it in one of the files, I think in Nostromo. Here, so that means the file path is not correct, right? So we know that there is a mother folder, right? There is a mother folder, and there is a public folder. And so this challenge is in, as you can see in the commented line, there are two folder down, and then there is a murder secret, and then there is a something here. So let's try that. 1, 2, one more 3. Let's try. And maybe we'll be able to get the flag. All we need to do is mention the right hierarchy here. Okay, I'll send the request. Now let me put one more hierarchy. Still no. I'm not sure, guys. I will still putting one more to make sure maybe this will work. Yeah, this works. I don't know how this works, but I still keep on putting that. And we reach to the directory where the mother secret itself is hidden. So this is what we get. Copy. Where is the command? I'll put it here. And this is our flag. I'll put it in the flag, and finally we are able to do it. Awesome, awesome. Congratulations, guys. You have done this. It was a big achievement on our pod. Next, once we come back, we'll start intro to containerization. And thank you guys for joining me on this journey. It takes a lot of efforts to bring this videos for you, so make sure to like and subscribe and share with others. We are building a DevSecOps community. We try to build or have 1,000 users by the end of August 2024. Let's see if we will be able to do it or not. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.